Welcome to my class. Today is my video on maths. My first video on maths, that is arithmetic progression. Standard 10th, chapter 1 is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic is a word which is known to all of you all, but progression is totally a new word. We know what is the meaning of progress. Progress means to develop. Development stage by stage, to move forward. So arithmetic progression is the movement of numbers. Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers or a list of numbers. Like for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Or it may be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Or it may be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. It can be 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Here you can see it may be also a group of prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Children, do remember that 1 is not a prime number. Prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself, in the tables of 1 and itself. 1 is not a prime number by rule. 2 is the smallest prime number. So here what I want to tell you is, these are all a list of numbers, sequence of numbers. Here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are adding 1 to 1, you will get 2. If you add 1 to 2, you get 3. If you add 1 to 3, you get 4 and so on. You will be getting the next numbers. Here it is a list of odd numbers. 2, 4, even numbers. Sorry, it is a list of even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is a sequence of even numbers, list of even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is a list of odd numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40 in tens, we are counting them in tens. 2, 3, 5, 7 set of prime numbers. 2 is the smallest prime number. So these are called as sequence numbers. These are called as numbers. Then what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression, as per the definition in your 10th standard book, is it's a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. This is the definition given in your 10th standard book. What it is? Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. So, is this a list of numbers? Yes. So, in arithmetic progression, we call these numbers as the terms. What do we call these numbers as? We call them as terms. This is the first term, the second term, the third term, the fourth term and so on. Here, the first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6. See the difference. 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. 10 minus 8 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is an AP, this is an AP. If the common difference is a constant, this 2 is called a common difference. It's called a common difference. In arithmetic progression, it is denoted by a small d and the terms are denoted by A or say A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. It is denoted by A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Till where do we denote this? We denote it till the nth term, an. An will be the nth term. So, in order to find out whether the given list of numbers is an AP or not, we have to find out whether the common difference D is a constant. Here 11 minus 9 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is in AP, in arithmetic progression. 40 minus 30 is 10, 30 minus 20 is 10, 20 minus 10 is 10. So it is an arithmetic progression. Here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. 13 minus 11 is 2. 11 minus 7 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So here the difference is not common, it is not constant. Here the difference 13 minus 11 is 2. 11 minus 7 is 4. So we do not have a constant common difference. Therefore, this set of numbers is not in AP, is not in arithmetic progression. It's not an arithmetic progression. The sequence is not in AP. So the basic thing what you have to understand in arithmetic progression is, it is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained. The successive term we say, each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. So preceding term means the back term. Succeeding term means the front term. The number which comes after is succeeding term. The number which comes before is the preceding term. For 3, the preceding term is 2. The succeeding term is 4. The basic thing we have to understand in arithmetic progression is, these are called as terms. A1, A2, A3, A4. The last term will be called as AN. And the difference will be called as common difference denoted by D.